welcome back to Labs. In this video we are going to see how to set up Azure Cloud Shell using Bash or PowerShell. Let's get started. Log into that Azure portal. In the top right side corner you will see that Cloud Shell options. Click that. It's now loading the terminal. It's automatically taking that Bash. So if you want to switch, you can select switch to PowerShell. You can switch. Yeah, now that Azure Cloud Shell it's loaded. So I have some setup commands to run to check validate that functionality of Azure Cloud Shell. So I'll just type AZ version. It gives the Azure CLI version details and Python as well. So you can see Azure CLI version 2.89.1, and I'll go to type some few setup commands to check validate the features. So I'll check that account details. Use so you can see that environment Azure Cloud and tenant ID and ID as well. So that subscription name Azure subscription on, the state of the subscription is enabled, and also you can see the tenant ID as well. Then I'll try another one like account list. So as of now I have only one account in here. So see you can see Azure Cloud subscription 1, I have only one subscription. So if you have multiple subscription, you can see here the subscription details as well. Then I'll type this one, group list. Yeah, here the list of Azure resource groups. I have Zoom migrator resource groups and EOPS 01 network watcher resource groups, and resource groups RG VNet 01 in East US and web app in East Asia. So all the status it's succeeded. So now we are going to like we will check other some features as well, like present working directory. You can use the pre-wt commands, and who am I, who is the user of this terminal. And also if you want to create directory, mkdir. So before that I'll list out the files. There is no files is there, mkdir, and I'll create test folder. So now I'll do the list. You can see the test files. So all the details, the session and script and files, it will store in the Azure storage account. So in the backend it will create the storage account to keep the files and script for the session between the sessions. So now the Bash Cloud Shell is setup is completed. Now we'll go to that PowerShell. So you can see that our options switch to PowerShell. You can click that, it will redirect to the PowerShell versions. So it will ask the confirmation, click confirm. So now it's loading that PowerShell terminal. It's going to authenticate Azure. Yeah, it's now loaded. So to validate, I have few more commands to validate the PowerShell versions. So I'll type that get AZ context. It will give that subscription details same like which we tested in the Bash. So I have a subscription like Azure subscription 1. It will give that subscription ID and account and Azure Cloud as well. Then I'll go back to that get Azure subscription also. It will give the subscription complete details. See the subscription, it will give the tenant ID, subscription ID, and the state of the subscription. And I'll go to that resource group details. To get resource group details, I need to type get AZ resource group. So it will give the resource group details and its respective configuration, like resource group name and locations, provisioning state succeed, tags if there is any tags it will give, and resource ID. and same like for other resources as well, resource group as well, it will give the details. So I have currently only one subscription. So if you have multiple subscription, you can use the set as is context and subscription ID. So it will switch to the particular subscription. It will give the details of that subscriptions resources. There is a few navigations in this Cloud Shell. So if you want to restart the session, you can restart here. So if you want to manage files, or if you have a script in that your local machines, you can upload, and if there is anything from that um, Cloud Shell, you can download as well. And if you want to create new session, you can click new session. It will give the create options, and editor also you can able to edit that script in the directly from the Cloud Shell as well. And if you want to open that Cloud Shell in VS Code for the web, so you can click the open VS Code for the web, then it will give the redirect to the VS Code versions as well. And also there is a setting, you can set up that font size small, large. Like example, I will select large, it will give the large size. And also the font and themes also we can select. If you want a dark theme, you can select dark, or if you want light, you can keep light. And if you want to reset the complete user settings, you can able to reset here. Yeah, that's all about that Cloud Shell configuration setup. In our next video, we're going to create resource groups using Azure PowerShell and Azure Bash, and also through the Azure console as well. Thank you for watching.